Hello everyone, this is Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet News Channel reporting live from the newsroom here at Charm Grammy Crochet. This is, as I said, Lynette. We've had very tragic things happen, and for reasons beyond our control, technical difficulties and what have you, I have to stand in for Trish, who is standing in for Nan from Nan's Next Knots and Trish from Mama Swift Crochet. Unable to report luck of the draw yesterday, but the show must go on, and so here I am standing in as news reporter for luck of the draw week 17. Get the news out. It's emergency situation. We're late. Hey guys. I hope you found that fun. Do you like my it's emergency situation? This is the best I could come up with for a news reporting microphone. Welcome to the yarn room. And as I did say, this is the truth. There was a issue. Trish cannot get internet. Nan is unavailable as well. So we're getting luck of the draw week 17, a day late, and from a new news station. And I'm very impromptu. I do not have a little red numbers and a little cup. I do not have a fancy little green hat. I didn't even draw the number. But I'm going to report the news as it was given to me. There were technical difficulties, and Trish did post it on her community tab what the number is. So I didn't even pick the number, but I will tell you, this is as fancy as my numbers get. It is right there, number 6. This is the third time in 17 weeks that we have picked number 6. Well, we as in them. That we, as in all of us that are doing it, are doing number 6. And for me, it is this, I love this yarn in the color cranberry, and it will be getting added into my, my wrap that I am making. My main color, as you all know, is blue. So we started with a pound of roll of blue. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 week number 6 was this color. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'm right into the light, to the sun, I can't see. And week number 12 was color number 6. So add in your color number 6, show us your projects, post it on the messenger chat. We want to see them all. And I am terribly sorry that Trish and Nan could not do this video today or yesterday, and that it's late. But we're making do, because that's what we do around here. And I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving if you're in the States and we're celebrating. If not, I hope you had a good Thursday. If you're Black Friday shopping, be safe. Don't fight over stuff. It's not worth it. I don't think people do that anymore. That used to be a thing. But I am waiting on my daughter and granddaughter. They're coming to get me. We're going outlet shopping, so we won't fight over stuff. I hope. I got a cast. If I can beat up a bear, I got this. So that's all I have for you today. Enjoy your Black Friday shopping and have a great rest of your weekend. I'll see you in a video tomorrow. I'm sorry there will be no music on the intro, and probably not even an intro. Just because I got to get this up before they get here. Okay, see you. Bye.